Hey everybody, Tabitha here from Tabitha Explores, taking you on another Epicure cooking adventure. I am trying a new one for me again today. This is the Marry Me Chicken. The recipe calls for boneless, skinless chicken thighs, the seasoning, half and half cream, and baby spinach. But I, of course, you know me, changing it up. It does say to serve over pasta, so I'll do a couple cups of, I'm just going to use macaroni. I've got the water starting to boil already. And then for my veggies, I'm going to, of course, add some onions. I'll add some carrots. And then I've got some green beans that I had left over from another dinner a couple nights ago that I'm going to add to it instead of the spinach. And pretty quick, simple recipe, I think. So it says to just heat a tablespoon of oil over a medium-high heat. Of course, we'll guesstimate that as per usual. We'll turn it on here. Make sure it's actually on. There we go. And then we'll open this up because it does say to put some of the seasoning in with the meat as you start to brown it, and then the rest can get mixed in with the cream and some water. So I've got that open and ready to go. And my handy dandy Epicure tongs. I've got two of my handy dandy Epicure pans going. And this one is great. It's nice and skinny. As you can see, on this stove I've only got 3 burners. So having a skinnier pan at the back for the water and the pasta allows me to have a nice big pan here for cooking everything. So because I'm adding onions and carrots, I am going to add that to the pan now so that they'll cook down with the chicken. And then I'll add the chicken. So it does say to do a pound. Not sure that I have a pound. You know how I am. But I will stick this chicken in and let it start to get hot and brown up. And then I will add a bit of the seasoning as it suggests. I'm not really sure what the flavors are supposed to be with Marry Me Chicken, but I'm guessing it's kind of like a creamy sauce. It does want you to do it over pasta, so I'm sure that that kind of gives you a bit of an idea. So it says to do 2 tablespoons, so I'll just sprinkle some of that on all my chicken and into my veggies, and then the rest I'll put into this to get mixed in with my water and cream. So half and half. So it does say to do a cup of the half and half. So I'll add that in while my chicken starts to brown. And then a half cup of water. And then I can whisk that in so that it's all ready to go. Once my chicken is browned and ready for sauce. I'll add the green beans kind of last minute so they don't overcook. And, well, that's how it looks raw, so it's actually already smells good. Once I get it browned a little on this side, then I'll flip the chicken over. The veggies are already starting to get a little bit tender. So, tell me what you want to see me cook. I don't know, I enjoy a lot of the Epicure products. I have not yet attempted to bake in this oven. Maybe that's my next project. Maybe I need to try baking in this oven. It is really hard with propane to keep an even temperature, so baking, I can't see it being super easy in here. I don't know, that makes me nervous. I think the last time I tried to kind of bake something, I actually just put it in tinfoil and put it on my barbecue instead. But it wasn't like a cake or a baked good or anything. It was just baking some, I think it was chicken. So let's turn these over. They're getting a little brown. No, not that brown yet, but they're getting there. Get that nice sauce, that seasoning mixture, getting some color. I think I've got boiling water for my pasta here. We'll add that. That's a cup. I'll do like a cup and a half-ish. That come back to a boil. Now I'm not sure if you watched any of my other videos, but I do like to tell you that all of Epicure's products are gluten-free. They're peanut and tree nut free, so you don't ever have to worry about that. They're always working at making their products better. They always are trying to do low sodium, you know, trying to keep as much salt out of your meals as possible. I know if you go to the grocery store and you pick up, you know, whatever from the store and some sort of easy, quick mix, you know, you're always going to get that extra sodium, and that's just, it's not great, you know, like you want to be feeding your family healthy, good meals, and, but also really tasty meals. So I assure you that Epicure works their hardest to get it, you know, this way, so that you're getting the best of both worlds. Good taste and healthy meals, and also quick meals, because I know it can be, you know, a lot of work when you're, you know, running around, picking the kids up at school, having a full day of work yourself, and then the kids have to go to soccer practice or ballet or whatever kind of activities they're involved in. So doing something like this with Epicure like gives you that peace of mind. So the next thing it wants you to do once your chicken is brown, you stir in the reserved seasoning. So we'll bring it up to a boil once that's in and get everything finished cooking. So, oh, that looks good. I have to say, that looks really good. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's hot. That looks excellent. I am so excited about this meal. So let's get her to a boil. We'll bring it down a little bit because, you know, I don't want to burn the cream. Yeah, that looks phenomenal. Okay, I'm going to add the green beans in now so that they'll get cooked up. Oh, that brings such nice color to this meal. That is going to be gorgeous. Want an end piece in there. Those all mixed in. Now we are up to a boil. that. We'll let that cook. Cover her up, turn it down as much as we can. Let's check our pasta. Still needs a couple minutes as well. So we'll let that continue to boil. And we'll check back with you once it's all cooked up. Alright, I would say we are nicely cooked here. So it's time to plate up. I am going to take a little bit of my macaroni for my plate. Nicely cooked there. And then I'll put the rest of that into a bin for tomorrow. Turn that off. Ooh, the reveal. Alright, let's have a look at how that looks. Nice creamy sauce with some beans and chicken. Let's grab a piece of chicken or two, plate her up. Another small one maybe. There we go. And then let's get some of this sauce and some of these veggies on there, hey? Get some of that. There we go. Dinner. And seriously, that didn't even take me 20 minutes, even cutting up all the veggies as extra and all that. So let's, shall we give it a try? Let me tell you what I think, hey? Because, you know, again, this is my first time trying it. It's probably going to be hot. Cut off a little piece of chicken, some veggies and some pasta in there. We'll blow on it a moment. Don't want to knock that over. Mmm. That's nice. It's a mild, definitely a mild taste. Really nice, creamy dish. Great quick meal. Picky eaters should like it because it doesn't have a lot of strong flavors to it, but still has a nice taste to it. So definitely can recommend the Marry Me Chicken. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, watch more of my videos, tell me what you want to see, and we will see you in the next video.